Finally, festival day. Big energy, a touch of organized chaos. Coffee 1, coffee 2 at the rest area, and free snacks courtesy of two absolute legends. Just over an hour to go, and I'm thinking, let's fucking go. Then, classic gut punch, Esoteric Festival, cancelled. On open gate day, people were already queuing. Fuck me, total buzzkill. But that's overlanding for you. Plans fold, and you either sit on your hands or you make something happen.
Your destination is on the
Gates
left.
were shut, so I swung through Donald, gave a few folks lifts into town, and started checking nearby free campsites for stranded festival goers. Maybe salvage a cheeky private rave. Worst case, a decent campfire. Not long after, I found a crew already scheming their own thing. Then the big update hit. A mob from Melbourne had booted up a bush doof 2 hours south. Sound system, lights, artists, full send. People were posting on the fly, offering lights, ice, gear, anything to get it rolling. Proper community mode. Everyone pitching in. Absolute legends. That's the stuff I love. Coming closer, cars, trucks, RVs rolling in from everywhere. The road felt buzzing. The bush felt alive. I knew whatever happened next, it'd be a memory. Rolled in, parked the 80 series, pulled out the speakers, cracked a drink, and set up camp. Met heaps of legends, cobbled together a tiny daytime stage off the back of the rig. It wasn't esoteric, it wasn't massive, but the vibe? Unreal. Community spirit everywhere. Even the cops were relaxed. 2 days of music, mates, and cold drinks. The 80 did what she does best, got us there with stories to tell. Sometimes the unplanned nights hit hardest. Peace out.